Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to rent and buy movies on YouTube app on our smart TV. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. We usually watch movies in the theater or we watch them on OTT streaming platforms like Netflix or Prime. But we can also do the same on YouTube, either by renting the movies or buying them. If we rent the movies on YouTube, then we can keep the movie for 30 days. But if we start to play the movie, then we should complete it within 2 days maximum. After that, we can't rewatch the same movie. And if we buy the movie on YouTube, then we can keep the movie on our YouTube library and play it whenever we want. If we want to rent, the price will be less. And if we want to buy, then the price will be almost double the rental price. Recently, Mr. Amir Khan's Zitare Zamin Par movie got released on YouTube on a rental basis. In this video, we will see how to get that movie through our smart TV using YouTube or practically any movie available on YouTube for rental. We have to keep our smartphone with us because we can only make the payment using our phone for this. So we have to switch on our TV and we have to open the YouTube app. Then we have to make sure that we have logged in using our required YouTube account. Then we can go to this sidebar and go to films here. So here we can see the list of available movies on YouTube for rent or buy. We can simply browse them through these categories: Indian cinema, action and adventure, drama, new to rent, horror. So all these categories we can simply browse them and choose the one we want. We can also use the search bar to search for the movie. I'll search for Zitare Zamin Par. Okay. So we have to select the first one. We can see the money symbol here. That means we have to pay for it. We can open this. So this is the official page. We can see the poster, movie name and also the description. And also in this corner, we can see the rent option. We can select that. So here are the details. We have to pay 100 rupees for this. Start within 30 days, finish within 48 hours after first playback. We have to keep that in mind. So once we are okay with all this, we can choose this ultra high definition option. Select this. And we will get a page like this. Here we can scan this QR code using our smartphone, or we can go to youtube.com/pay and do the purchase there. So now we have to take our smartphone and open the camera app and point this to the QR code on the screen. And we will get a clickable link like this. Most of the modern smartphones have a built-in QR code reader. If not, we can install any third-party app for this. And we will get this web browser page, and here we have two options to make the payment. Three actually. We can make the payment using our credit card or debit card or pay with UPI. I'll choose this one, pay now. So I'll enter the card details and get back to you. So after adding our card, we will get this final pay now page. Please read all the information they have mentioned on the screen. So pay now. We have to verify the card once again. So verify. So we have to verify again and enter the OTP. After entering the OTP, we can confirm. That's all. Thank you for your purchase. So now if we search for the same movie name, it will show rented here. So we can select this one. And here on this page, we have this play movie option. We can see this. So if we want to watch the movie now, we can select this play movie option. But we have to remember that we will have 2 days to complete this movie. So if we are not going to play this movie, then it will be on our account for 30 days. And if we start to play the movie, then we will have 48 hours. That is 2 days to complete the movie. We can find this movie on our YouTube library. We have to go to this side and choose the library here. Then we have to go to the top and select movies and TV, and here we can see our rented movie. That's all. So I'll choose this Tamil movie Nerukku Ner and go to buy or rent and choose buy. This one I'm not sure if you can see it now. Okay, we have to take our smartphone and scan this QR code again, and we have to make the payment like we did for the rental thing. So after entering the OTP, confirm. That's all. Thank you for your purchase. And sometimes we might also get this indication on the TV, thanks for your purchase, and we can choose watch now or watch later. Now we can go to the library, movies and TV, and here we can see our movies. This one is rented and this one we purchased it completely. We can see the expiry date here, expires in 4 weeks. So yeah, that's all. We can start to watch like this, play movie. That's all. These are the steps to rent and buy movies on YouTube app on our smart TV. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.